I'm Donnie Carr with Christian Brothers Automotive. This might be your first time hearing about Christian Brothers Automotive, or you might have been interested in a Christian Brothers franchise for a while. Either way, we wanted to share some unique value propositions that we think are special to our brand. First, we consider Christian Brothers Automotive to be a recession-resistant brand. When times are tough, people aren't spending money on new vehicles, and they're making the wise financial decision to invest in the ones they already own. One of the other neat things about Christian Brothers Automotive is the fact that the first $60,000 of profits are given to our franchisees over an annualized salary. And not only that, but Christian Brothers Automotive splits profits off the bottom, the net. So if you're not profitable, we're not profitable. And because of that, one of the things that we have done as a brand is we have invested highly in our support team. For every 2 locations that we have one person here at the home office ready to support our franchisees. Thanks for taking the time to hear more about Christian Brothers Automotive, and we hope you have a wonderful day.